In this video we are going to make one smoke suction pipe using two thumbs up bottle and one system fan. And this is K40 fan, but it is not actually good, which is not sucking all the smoke. So I have installed one system or PC fan inside the thumbs up bottle, which is tied by some newspaper and cloth. Yeah, so wires are coming out from the bottle, and this is the testing portions. Smoke is nicely coming out from this pipe. It's a very good fan, and this is the way to extend the length of the pipe using two thumbs up bottles, or you can use any bottle. And finally I installed the pipe with the K40 laser, and it works very nicely. So there is another, yeah, this is thumbs up. It's working very fine. All smoke is going out. This is the testing portion, and beautifully there is no any smoke inside my house. Everything is going out. This fan I bought from the market, only just $2 or $3. This is a before and after